evangelistic ministries. Yami Papa Jima Sante Asafo Ewo Doomsnet Dino Ewo Ghana Commercial Bank Chino. Sesi also so ni nyame akwa ebedi mpu na ba di se meba wadia erade acheda sesi na kwa. I'm talking about Prophet Benjamin Fojo Ministries. Just say enya grokra. Now on the 12th of July, it is happening. Enyumere Jumedie enti sesi ohun se onso so ade ohun bachim. Will be live on Facebook and Instagram. Now obetimi afresi here for details. Obese wunya hunu mu a 0242 07 0237 0242 070237 and 0571 139441 0571 139441 and 020 739 4504 020 739 4504. Kayo Aye, the 12th of July, our Maranatha Evangelistic Ministries, Shannon Somai. News at Natural Mineral Water and Sucrodia Bujuncio, Biaja to my enum, Open Supanum, the Aname Camford Z and the amount. Bremen West Bukutu Junction, Open Doso Puauko, Abinia Biato, Samson Atomic, Ashoma and Quanso, Matt Roberts, Ewo Sunyane, na Fre 0244 620 294. Usilas Enterprise. Ya one cry. Na ya de eba hotel plants akese, industrial use plants akese, wow shop, any business kakra bia we here generators no many plants adi juma. Ya wo Perkins, ya wo Camis, ya wo Kama, ya wo Honda Caterpillars, ya wo Lister Peta, Kiloska, ya wo solar energy. Na nije pram say wo solar generators. I no we answer obey bia yan wadwuma ma now the see awie mu a awia ne bona now spark ya na ajeso umpe we now pay obenya ni nyina wo Islas Enterprise na eba se yema install ma wo fie so a free of charge. Yes, I render 24/7 service to customer. Ebia o house fidie na bia unhu ni send yesi sunu nsu ye. O fry dimirika be ba ne abehwa ma. Obewe o agire Gano any Porsche hotel. Number Bridge no near 69. Afei Newtown Junction Asalebutwe. Samson Social Welfare Medina. Ray Junction so adenta be wi ho. And Champion Junction Bawaleshi. And also so your honomo. So our 0248 169258. 0248 169258 and 020 300 5498. Obeso to chiro sia toothbrush in the Afri Fresh herbal toothpaste and Ashford toothbrush. Ashford, your Ashford Prince, Ashford Princess. Kwalanke to Anokono Muchi Nika executive evidence friendly galaxy. Chiro see you now no mun yan kan kabi be sho sia se ankuja okaka. Modena so with the Afri Fresh herbal toothpaste medicinal. Chema so ho yedin. You know my 053 5452 263 053 5452 263. Mami Emma ene do pay mu na. Ogose to krom na mso so man ko yi na mpia. Asema beto no wompe. Ene de ono a hye ne batakari kese. Asantimante ka batakari kese ana just asema ba. Enti neno wa hye ne batakari kese amana kwaba. Dr. Banwa Trase. Ba. Now what to say?
Yankuma do more man.
You be aboko. O wifo.
Me da se.
Nyamina wo shirawa o se wunyini kwa ni mo wunyini ba wachi.
No agwa bia be do sade ya.
Aba sade. Oh me bi odi. I say we not to say.
Now go pa do.
Now weekend here ba. Oda ya bia se. Look, ye ni koma no pay.
Yada atiefo ne ahwefo ase. No kwasom se ye de nchia free ban herbal hospital na de brewo. Ye kan ban na chese tokuso aka wo se unumpe no wonka se de onyankopon de ni nyina ahye Dr. Bansa se ehho techema ye pani enhwemawo de bia ya me ka kire wo se ye ka se ye twen adanse abebo akire wo a ade ye beche Nipam pim na edi adanse nanso so no kwasam ewum pa ne se ne enwanwa na eboro so ne se buru ni fita free England abrofo yi ni ade ne China fo eno mu nyina ba ebeje ban heba hospital no ma na je to Nyankopon de ya free ba bia kuduru ba bi na medawo a wutie mi na ase ne ntia medawo ase ne se ban ba ne wanyina ntumu a nke ntumi nuru pempen so a ya duro no Erwadi nshira wo nso so na metoko so kai wo say bredi ni ekoso na ekosoro no uyi wo hu firi mu enye yi sa pepepe na wo so wo ka kire obi o yare sa pepepe na unua bi a ne kotodwe ne sisi ya ne ya no e wo so wo bona mane se Dr. Banda so to wo ho na oda so hwe nompe ne nkase no na obi ani asase su a Nyankopon de nompe ne nkase asoye no te se Dr. Ban ya number ne 0244 988 004 988 004 What your friend Dr. Ban na nkomo bi ewo ho bia na ye ne obedi me se Accra ye was Spintex Road 18 junction ho aduru a taxi station na wo ho no buso mo se oba Dr. Ban so ye no kwasam se omodo obeba oduru Kumase Atonsu Agogo government hospital nanimu ho a obi ho bia busa na se oba Dr. Ban so ye ono so ebe kirewo na no kwasam ewo mu pa me kan kire wo ahye wo nkran ya kan kire wo ne se ene awoyi abe wo nompe no nkasa mu ni asi ya wo no wo dead na wo ye wo hwe enye ende wotene umu antene sasabro na jenkase ni nompe ni nyina aboso obi aka che se sasabro de ani aduro ma me ka kire se Dr. Ban say odadaw eye na ada asem sasabro waduro oba ban so ye ya ye betu ase amowanya hoto enti for wani kire Kumase Atonsu Agogo government also to nanimu wa na sa yare yi asabsab ye friend sasabro na se sa ohawo ne sa amane yi ye betu ni nyina ase amana yenkunum de amawo Mami a wutie me papa wutie me da bia ya me kasa asan we se wo namu bu no wanyo obi a otumi toa dompe etene ni ya na yenya toa wo nan na di bosom nso 7 months iko na kasa na antoa wo da bibidiro to so a entoa bi enunti ti asemi na tie ni ye na fa pen na twere number no to ho asan wo ho ne amane wo ho ntino twere number no to ho because ebie na akoto nua bi mpofrim na afi wo pe ban number wonhwe ya na de na akoma ata amaame afi ne nan ne be yete 140 obewie na ba ko ayetenten asere ba ko enunti na ewo sa wo twere ban number no gu bible mu twere gu opono ano twere gu mpa ho twere gu dare num na fato ebia wo maame tais ya wo tu no wo fie we ebetumi apa number na mu abu accident betumi asi bibia betumi asi na bi kura nya wa ba na eya wo dofo bi a okodi demo ya beka wo enti fa ba number no number ni 0244 988 004 0244 ma me chireni yo 0244 988 004 me si wo Kumase Atonsu Agogo ene wa Accra Spintex Road 18 junction samienu ipe ena wo hwehwe ban obenya no obi aka che se ban de nuro bi akogu ba bi to a ma me sini hu eye ndada asam ene odada na so obi ka so de ban duru siaw e wo ketia ba bi a ma me enkodi akire Dr. Ban de oba ye yenhwehwemu ye wo lab kese ma me oba ye take pressure no ne atobo ahwew se ne wo system ne tie na oba ya cheke ni padua ni nyina ahwe wo moja ba bia drums dudu ewom ne ya cheke typhoid ne ahwe wo yefunu ya hwe HIV ya hwe wo sugar no ba bia duru ne ya cheke sa ne nyina cheke malaria ni nyina wia ne ya hwe o hawa ewo wo yefunum se bia wakodi aduane bia sabesem mfrafra wa bia kofra ansana ya show no mpene won kasa ese stroke yare na woso sade na woso ansan ye de dubna no account enti ye ka ban se ban ye hospital enye se wo ba ya ne asesa ha ban no ne ye de boss dabi ana se wo ba ya ne asesa nduro na ma wo se konom ma me eho entesa test ahodo bi e wo se ye ansan ye hunu se eye sa yare yi poten na ha wo no ban de ye expert me se wo ba ban so ye ya wa hwa wo beda ho ni nyina ne se Dr. Ban ye adwuma fritete besi nne da bia ye da so ka nompe ne nkasa yi ho asam ma me enti sen eye nada asam a nka da bia ye be ye da so ka na mesro emfa wo nompe no nkasa wo sisi yare yi wachi kasa wo nsa wo pagya wo ntumi mpagye wo nan ne ukotodwe so kekra kekre wachi bremo a eye wo ye mu a ehawi wo yefuno osa cancer ehawi mesro emfa nkotere ba bi enkodada wo ho na wanhwe yi a wobetumi ahwere wo nkwa wobanhwe yi a wobetumi anya demdie ni nyina ne se fo ani kire ba so ye na Dr. Ba pe ne betumi aboa wo ahwe sa yarewa nyina tu ase e de ama wo ene prostate cancer hawo no kwasam se wo doctor na ya ade wakohya wo rubber wa ya ade wo ma wo nduro no bi but still hawo no da so wo ha mesrofo ani kire ba so ye beboa wo ama sa amane ne sa amane ne hawo no nyina afiri ho da bia ya me ka kire wo se yiri sikuru aba na wo nso sibia eye musuo me se eye musuo be ma de anajo sori a wasa wo dwonso ba akopɛ obi na ma no de bɔ ne ho sabra ne me de me no musuo nti anajo me dwonso pa me ka kire wo se wo beto graphic ama obi akenkan wo beto graphic ama obi akenkan papa emfa mo ho sabra ne se nsuo a wo nom no na se nke ye nsuo a wo nom de yanka adwene de ngo da nsuo no nti ngo na ma na kyese o yiri to wanka no ano so o dwonso gu ho sa ngo nsuo na mu no oda nka kyekye de kura de nka na asam de yenka ba ni nyina me ka kire wo ne se sa wo hawo ne sa amane ni nyina no emmema sam a akọ atwe no mesrofo ani kire Dr. Ba so ye de pe ne betumi aboa wo amawo gina brane ne ka se abema ni a na kyese amnopa mesi ebebo bonsu akoko amwanom ne ya wo yere ato ayeye nnwom awewo ayi mesrofo fa ye number no number ni 0244 988 004 mesa ti asem we maame ene bia yare bi te se kompo yare ene tete wo broni frɛ no gweta mesrofo ene no operation no ehun kakra enti yede ne de oba eya bibiduro wo de frɛ aduane na wudi enti amamman ne sa system na wo mu ni nyina no aduro no be krini ni nyina kakra ama ni nyina firi wo mo janum na sa yare kompo yare ya ye ka ho asemi se wo so na wanhwe ye wo ye ba ma atumi twa wawo wo ye oba nso so obetumi awo wanhwe ye akora no betumi anya demdie sa yare kuru ye betumi asi akora na so ebetumi afira kuru na ni obetumi awo akora no oni aso obetumi awo akora na ne nsa anhyehyɛ yie chese ewo nsunsanso bebre a edi manipadua no ansa na ebepie wo minimum prane ne hawo kese ye wo mu ne se eno no kra de che ne wa yi na wontumi nto ne nso so wanhwe yi a ebedi wabusua dem enemi o tie me na sa wo sa hawo ibia fo ani kire Dr. Ba so ye ebia sa bre me obabi yare a wo yare twere ana sesem na adwene mu ha ne kakra fo ani kire Dr. Ba so ye beboa no ama sa wo hawo ne sa amane no ye tuni nyina se de ama ma me papa ya so ye wo wos ye wo man mema word wo ho mesro ye physiotherapy ye physical massage mesro fa wo papa na ono ma me for mo bra ne massage wom na ebe boa ye wo man mema ye train wom a wo bo chese wo po pebe mo obenye obia ye bia ma enti for ni kire Ba so ye na ba pe ne betumi aboa wo amasa amane no wo su no ne nyina afiri wo so ma me papa obia ni wo betumi aye gisa Dr. Ba message sa Dr. Ba pe ne betumi
that's right
ye kan no mpe ne nkase de ya ni wura ye ba ko pe ono ane Dr. Ba me say ye kan no mpe ne nkase ya ye de yensansi ye bo e ka kire ye say ye pe ene ye betumi ahwew ama wo no mpe no nkase dede ne ohawo ne amane na aba mu no ye pe ne ye de yensansi ye bo ka kire wo say ye betumi atu ase e de ama wo Dr. Sebu
doctor nyame insha opa ene na mo beje number no asa to aso se de be ya ubetimi afa na ode aba Dr. Ba aso ye ana na doctor e ka no sesi akroma me se nansan na meteka bi mu na no mu nim se me wo Dr. Ba ma me ne nai bo ka na yi mu a so na ma me ba ko to se ene faduru Dr. Ba ho sesi ade obia nim se Dr. Ba de udompe wo kasa de eye dia enti hyane nso emfa nkochinchini enkobo kanwu na awia wa besere doctor se misika asa da bi fasika ni nyina na fa wo yade no ebra Dr. Ba ho na yenhwew ye number ye didi dwuma no eye 0244
08
34 82
82
0244
0244
08
08
34
34
82
82
and it was 0244
0244
988
988
004
004
0244
0244
988
988
004
004
Dr. Ba ewo Kumasi atonso ago anopa ya doctor te ye firi ya okotena se mesraw yade edu nya ha wo ama mu de mo aye ne se abusu ayade no enne twaso na behunu sa haban ene adubra de se wo po obi obetimi ayi afiri ho ama yade ete so akwa na ye Dr. Ba enkan ye was Spinters Road 18 junction ena anopa yi me ne doctor nyina ya kasa wie fa yade nyina bra Dr. Ba ye fa haban na ye di free ye nkurase abura hasuo ade abepie Kumasi Krodemon entu yade asemaw na wuwie a yade ni nyina kwa maami ani sisi ye ne ye sa ne yade emrane ano ode ko eye ba 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 ba
aya everything's gonna be all right with Baheba for each of this year. Oh yes. Oh yeah. Open breast and the yakukon ne bonus ano na open fillet and I say open tie and I say open a so and open full chicken for the BBC. Oh yeah.
When we're together, feelings we share, we'll always be there.
Oh. High Street, Presby Shanimu, over here, Santas roundabout, you need to oil Shanimu, over here, Prabejo chicken, Benjo Nkosiani Nara, BBC.
When we're together, the feelings we share, we'll always.
Very soon be coming your way with your birthday. Stay tuned. 3A Herbal Center, Coco Nado Kroa, Bomodana Saubabura. Shop Bia, your tone now so 3A cold capsules. 3A cold capsules. Coco no, and this all manager now. Bet my ball, I'm a watch no power board. My arm she be you a D. That be a cocoa do crow until the be a sort of Obisu Swajumana, that be compare 3A cold capsules. A US Spain if you are a ye pals no share coco namu. A face of Mariamun team ultimate nom a quite Juma and count baba baba baba. Yeah, they are bed Joshua, Eddie Juma, Eboa Womwa, Coco how much? Colinak Danny Herba, Mr. Apidanka. Ubenya Biato 0546 107 107. Now we'll call and pay Uber to see I make comfort toothbrush, papa, and a toothpaste, papa. Now, me the amount. Now, just say, and Nina say, when ya at the pa and our day, who you so. Nah, and you say, and say, a Yas toothpaste, total care, Yas toothpaste, whitening, Yas toothpaste, Herba no a boss and by my strong tita. The white news swap posting am and I white. I feel total care no so dear kaka. Dear yes, senior Mashas here, and in Toko for the cavities. No, my James Bemuno, need now be free. Now, when you're brush now, you said that bomb to come at me, rouse Simon Kankan now. A friend of Prince, Princess, Monarch, Duke, Duchess, Kitty Brushes, I would draw. Friend 0501 390 337 0501 390 337. I don't pay. I don't know, Yusuf. Translating komo. Ya bon komo. Na ano pay ase tetefo no nwum na bi ni nam mu. Ai, those times on boss anyum no sa na kwala no hu bo. For the Yeguro, that's in Kruma is the Palmunie. And Kruma is, well, Madame Bag was the job of your and Kruma West. Over free East to go West. Ose Kofi, Maria, make a count, say Kofi Mamenka. Oh God, CPP, pa, Kwame Kruma CPP, Hilary Man, PNC. Oh, Yahuwah, Asamaba. Tony Maya now open to copy anywhere you went to be a honey bedroom. Even as at election, I ever come to Queba. And I know the CB before right acquaint Tessie or move a Congress. No way you flag bearer, Omuya. Omu old album now, no more press on the back or two. Omuya son of my constituency election. Hey! Where to go? Is it yes for NDC or no for NDC? Is it yes for MPP or no? Stay tuned now. Allow me to see for Kwaba. Now, what to say? You know about the SS or the and Adumayang. We'll look at the issues that is coming. IGP Sensambia PA, NDC Deputy Secretary Bandi. A strong warning about say they will not sit aloof and watch the New Patriotic Party sack the IGP for no reason. Has anybody attempted to sack the IGP? Do we have any information to that effect? Or probably Monday is coming from where I sit, I might not have. Now the police have come out with a statement to tell all and sundry that the IGP is still at post, doing his patriotic duty to the people of Ghana. One of the 3 police officers found to have misconducted himself by the IGP linked tape committee. na yate sɛ leak tape no as a document bi apiepie enti anopai maame ne lawyer papa da kwa twetwe nkɔmmɔ na yɛni nkɔmmɔ baako bienu lawyer papa da kwa me mo akyɛ anopai
Yeah.
na wo bom te sɛn
Na kupon di akyɛ na mo so
yɛnsi ho yɛ paa abusuafo lawyer papa da kwa yɛ council lawyer Nima Superintendent Georgia Asare Mobekaya woko gyina parliament anim abra commission bi eti so mo nhwɛ IGP leak tape anim na de etitia ne sɛ police form and bi ho akoda dwam they've been found to have misconducted themselves now wadaroma woyɛ ne council what be bisa
Yo me dase yenyina de ɛwɔ mframa mu na yenyina yɛ de yaso ɛne yɛni eti ahwɛ yankasa de obi ambo ya mane sɛ report ni nie na mmom me ya aware sɛ yɛ de report no nso akɔ parliament na de ne na mframa mu ni de yenim sɛ no na ɛda parliament anim de ayenim.
We are told sir it will be out tomorrow. More information be to that effect.
That be yenya hwe sa.
Okay. Na eba se Barry ne hit sa na be ya nwanwa.
Papa.
Dentra.
Oh, say yenya na ye committee na se. Nkomodi e course nyina no. Yenya no ye nitua. Ye nitua nkomodi e course. Enti se parliament into the parliament sebi a committee no echo fa omo bibi di beto na nyoma bibre course no ye de ton chan a na no e bia be se de sinefufuru bi na ye hwe
Paleroma Superintendent George Asare ne wo he
Oh, me did this or adwuma me ne ndi nkomo na fitita man nsem ni nyina esi nyina na okọ adwuma de so ye bia na oye
na eba sa no onya any reprimand on say woni opani anya asem oso ye okay
Oh on say so kaya emre asem isi ye a police for no epepre omo ho Kanyinfo no prepare omo ho akie se de ya interdite omo ema parliament kratwi omo anim se yenye ne sa kwan amofa so de se omo mfa omo ntanko tena fie no enye kwan papa so ntino mo nsa mfo omo ensi baabi ese omo si
that's right
ntino mo sa tro bibi mo sa tro kata ba bonten se omo ano mo kan so omo boa ntino mo nkoso no omo nya omo adwuma ntino omo guso omo ye omo adwuma se na se
on frail say be intimidation from superiors be ana bi mo hwe na ni okwa adwuma ana okwa is a hero now.
Oh, enya dia menya bibisa na mum on say a police for no se no omo tibie tie ni ntino no ma bisa no unhu se obi be hye da nanim aka BBC ana tenye BBC
okay
but one kasa se wo anuanoma police for ni ade a obetuma kusekusɛ omo obia behind the scenes no omo betumi aka bibi a kyerɛw
okay all right lawyer ne meda ase na yebehwɛ ekina report ne ba ye nyina ebebobo ho ne ahwɛ ne pomasi bre meda ase piano pe
yo meda ase
okay Honorable Yusuf, I think you heard from Lawyer Papa Dakwa, Council for Superintendent George Asare. We're also hearing that cement prices is going up today. Meanwhile, government wants to stabilize cement prices, even trying to do price control. But we produce a cement penino. Now, I want to say we Parliament because you don't suffer no. So Rana, church and maybe Muntino, ABA they will hold on to the price hike today. Now after Parliament, because the way a cement boy ne kono. One must say job na be clinker boy $10 now what they kotono and $1 and I'm 16. And you know one ya carefulness one so am pejamwa. Crawford see a dying Crawford toss cement the year niema and was our buying ya quine a cement boy peja e can be beer. Anuntino and also so I de edaho. Arabu Yusuf Salaam alaikum.
Wa alaikum salam wa rahmatullahi.
Now pom to say offensive bako there. Is a former DC for Fenso. Our boy Juma or Hopa ye the obetimi de abo man Ghana. Yes, sir. One. This issue Abeto with reporting young connected with the IGP's alleged dismissal. We are told some police personnel are report to IGP countless about the attitude and conduct and the way or intimidating some people. And they do maybe my toothless bulldogs. The entire regional setup for public relations it's down. Obia and Kafi. Tiakwe to say Bibia Kojana so. And ebi mukra allege say penny for more also on this statement back certain media personnel and waha woman or much statement banya de udina shase. It's a plethora a plethora of allegations. But nijina na meto enim de beto enim ne de ekopie parliamentary commission. And police are reacting to the fake news. And this is what they wrote. Let me read it quickly and come to you. The attention of the Ghana police have been drawn to some media reports suggesting that the Inspector General of Police, Dr. George Akufuda, has been asked to proceed and leave. We would like to urge the public to disregard this fake news and treat same with the content it deserves. The Inspector General of Police remains committed to his patriotic duty of leading the Ghana Police Service as per the mandate given him by the President of the Republic, Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo. Signed, Grace Ansa Kofi, Assistant Commissioner of Police Director, Public Affairs. Mami Tionope.
Medase, Omanhene, before I be hono, you bet this if and ye or swimming cramumha.
Okay.
And our original organizer, Ishama Lassan.
Oh, I'm told them all.
Ne mamia ye no, and run ye. And tea, a befa count nyawe so na yada penny from by Nasi, and ra the whole national chairman. Ebaha.
Chama General.
Kama Chama General Bakrumha.
Oh, okay.
No, the best from here. Chama, Bedasi, national organizer, Honorable Yamin, Obahabi. The National Communications Officer, the region, they say when him say Hayana, when another question in the dominant constituencies are often so. In fact,
and our any party do so. Yeah,
and he better will be biased. Nature offense for Yana, Damna can talk also, me and no offense. Offense of my neighbor channel pay. Now, Madame Fobacco can't pay, or sister friend can't pay. Oh, as a man come up. But I've back pa or Bob and Pano, better on society. Nature will be NDC nationwide. Now, your president candidate by president candidate, Nature, Mobile Mobia, Selena Minshram. Omanhene, I want say police service no, a very sensitive institution. It is a regulated service. I want say your justice delivery ninano, a police service na so. I want say prosecutions of all kinds of cases. A Attorney General office na. Then say Attorney General only the required workforce no. Nina babejina police force so. And from arrest, investigations to build up docket, I mean prosecuting murder cases, almost docket, Attorney General's office. I mean
for advice,
even preparing charges. And an institution like this, you know, na se bien nipa baku and a Ghana hana nipa from various areas, political parties na you know. When you a servicer a neutral to deal with the people. And then sometimes when we say arrest bo no mo ya na hunti ase no credit.
Yeah.
I dey kura so ma simple bill kura na be a major problem. We see. Background are you free banano. And there's a option sa issue a copy parliament. Emma sa de we buy a chiro. I junior a windy patrim about the police service. Need your money. Some about political party and now more political party. Osha CUP George Alex Mensah.
Yeah.
And
who recently contested
George Asare
parliamentary seat at Boakye.
now where nkoma a course between ono ne Bugri Nabu, Chief Bugri Nabu, and the surrounding issues. Now, when they copy parliament, you know.
Yeah.
Now here, COP Alex Mensa, now been a orchere, FA IGP Damparahu, the fact say, no, the president, I mean, President no, that be President Mills Achi, and President Mills, and a Boa no promote to man do some man be do baby out. Now the fact say, Omodinoko 2024 elections, and that is the background. Now here, Omoko Asen North, now allegations through by say, Mama operated to the fullest. So when you recount all of these things in mind, no one about beer independent free by almost investigating. Police, you know, because a regulated service it comes with discipline. And there's one will be put in Yadbenia. Yana, it is difficult because you say, well, you know, they deal mainly with Obia Kwanadimo too. And it comes with people who are disciplined. Even the Bishop Sukramponwa. And you be being tina, I say police woman to me call demonstration and strike no. The security services. And to be Omono, they are taken care of specially. And then Gary Omuhira Kinwa is structured. IGP Dampare or buy no. In fact, a name of a brebe no ya a beer ye. In fact, a lot of issues. Nipa be when same be Omokafano. Oh yes, see, even Omokota Omode owns a police phone be Oman Komoko commission officers and I send Komoko police school. For some time, Omoko school bar. Yamfa Mono money nipa be back down near promote to Omo Emma semi copy court Nansiana Munsa court or deliver judgment on that issue. Say the first school just automatically should be promoted. You have to go through a process, but let the process be transparent and all of that. Allegations about baby, but for me, sir, report where about parliament, you know, indicting to him say Alex Mensa and George Asare. Maya Okasa represented back on COP George Asare, no. Osha at this stage, you know, Omono the recommendation is like they should take them through disciplinary procedure within the police service, saying you made them no, including another person. So report we know it's long overdue because Omontana serious answer. Now if this report will be bad, it never came out until now. Say ya Manu for begins a gaga a year press conference. The way our moya then let us see through what is happening. Exactly the report no recommendations am I so that we can move on. Said the Bayer police service no. Me no can say Omanhene, there's so much tension within the police service. Tension wo hopa. Reporter enya from service no. Enya ade a say di ho agro. Because over the period Murphy say name bia koso in fact yes so police headquarters nipa ya promote o ma mo very high ranks. Mo say can be abom ne do magu table bi ho no mo te ho. A blank say money station. These things are going on. With perception say nipa be kura o mundu senke promote mu to a certain level ye promote o mu just an nipa we e mo situation mo say senior officer no o ho no na juma o na say as a report man the junior officer within these regulated services insisa it doesn't happen. You have to let things be the way they are. It is how call within even within the army there's a structure there to say maybe but say there could be some special conditions with me perform to such a level service if you say Niama why you say promote no those things say clearly transparent. Nobody will remember about some of these things. And for us now no beto just say by the recommendations you know yeah in that nipa we na say nra if you na no ban nra na say ya say IGP on proceed on leave information am menya no but me Deputy General Secretary Mr. Bandi abechire mu say say be papa na dia it should be on merit. On say anya say we appointee bia muntimi nyina di o but me hu di ntipoten a wo yi nipa na di ensema
na dia aban no aka ana because the government has not come out with any report.
No, everything comes with such
it's rumors. Being rumored say your man na proceed on leave
say honorable Napuasima yekan
the government the president has the prerogative to even ask him today thank you very much go I'll be to me question the government
but unim because ye ne to abayi abaninti actions you are taking should be reasonable to us. Okay. Also, there course in the public space we are all watching. Ye hu ne eko. Ye ti the COP Alex Mensa any Buginabu discuss here. Are you removing the person based on the fact say for say
the omo kan say omo elections
in the elections, you know?
No so na gbande can say they will resist any attempt by the government to remove
Exactly.
the IGP so that they can rig the. Why do they think they want to remove the person for the sake of elections?
Well, the evidence is just abounds.
How?
That discussion between Alex Mensah and Bugri Nabu, including the third party who was in, clearly shows say was cite example say IGP amoma operate in a north. Say ono COP Alex Mensah onim na oye under the Ayawaso West war gone by election. Now we Greater Accra regional boss no. When steps I would take here to ensure say Ayawaso were gone came to pass. And Omako Kumawu ako what they say I said not. And no operations a course and no na dwinimu say
the IGP be harding.
Omo can say ako ensure say
is it the case the allegation say IGP is also in bed with your party?
Share ananu ya hwe some arrest or kra em make sense here. Share your parliamentary candidate kaswodi oba ono mfa kuroma yeti wo tumi so man wo tumi mitem wo tumi se metotu nemum I must go through the legal procedure. Some license to no.
Yeah.
Never be legal property.
That's right.
No kwan say me de bomb ho ban. Say obi wo a property of this nature. Now koyinu e wo ne came. Now ka say already sa no ni di ya spelling it wrongly. Officer register to no be catch say me wo kaswa police division. Me na me register to no e de ma me no. Na still oba say be owo akwada keto about 3 years. What did it tum? On one buy, we say me do tum from Friday. May you mean you sir me do tum ma diache. You call say powers above from above. That's the one you know about that. You give a certain impression, say you're not operating on your own. Because
talking about the IGP?
Yes. Because when we say powers from above, only say whatever it is, IGP my command, that is the ceiling of the police. And if something can go beyond the IGP, look, President Mahama was compelled to come and even issue a statement on this matter. We shouldn't have gone to that level. A simple issue of this nature, not a call to that level. Now, and some Alex Mensah, because you also want to keep your job, you want to pander to the whims of the government in power. Sometimes that is what he has made us to think. So also pander to their whims. Now, some here and some COP Alex Mensah, a kind of said. Said the IGP dampare aircore elections way MYN because my young operator said they are operating to win elections and what. Na say and ne committee that recommended say sign the power me yam chomun sin chain and I am for monfa police discipline rules mu. Na say ade beche wo bete say you say IGP na nkasa so and proceed on liver. You have to think about it. So what are the reasons in here? Because President or Saki Obia, he's not obliged to give us reasons.
No.
No, so operating from behind the scenes, we have every right to draw our own conclusions with the facts available to us. And to say someone proceed on liver, is it because they think going to the election is difficult for them? He will not pander to their whims and get prices. And now, and some now COP Alex Mensah Kayeno, Omufisa Omujana Honoma M1. And so, at this critical stage, how many months they work to the elections? About 5 months to elections. 5 months no cry cano. July, August, September, October, November. And no crampono those November untiminya fibim. Less in a banasa. When you are taking such critical decisions, they must be reasonable. And if they are not reasonable, as a political party, we have every right to question the decisions of the president. President whereby there has been that attempt to corrupt every institution.
Akufo-Addo's
government.
Trying to corrupt every institution. How?
No institution.
This is a serious allegation.
No institution, including our moral society, is spared. Me makasa has on several.
Our institutions say what Ghana no.
None of them.
Or they katashan prayer for. So.
Omanhene, who dear share that national cathedral way? Omanhene pa set it up. Was that a genuine reason? Did they have any genuine reason for the church? Nahwe asofo chuchu kuma e kwan wodo mafaswa besine wagu mu nyina ni mase as a CI, you know, as of one ankasa within their midst, you know, they have that difficulty with acquiring Odoma Faso. Because Omo say, Oma say or mine, Oma corrupted the whole society. In fact, the kind of corruption they are engaged in. Say, assembly beba, this society is in the Beckham Wasem. So let's bring them along. Let it be said, say, we are all corrupt together. Ekobanes Hadia, they will have no moral authority to talk even when we are dealing with issues. Almost at the end, they have done this. Look at what they have tried to do with the chief imam's office. There have been frantic efforts to use certain persons in the chief imam's office to corrupt that office too. Yeah. And
what is it with the chief imam's office that you see or you deem being corrupted? Because asma can modu. Chief imam shaributu na so ye.
Yes.
MPP for beso mbura oma nipa bi.
A religion that I belong to. Oh, unfortunately for them, the Islam does not work like that. A particular event be omo install I think Yoruba chief at Adenta. At that event, there was that attempt to say more or less the chief imam has endorsed Dr. Baumia with a kind of plaque, the read the citation.
And yet on the day of the Hajj,
they were installing a Yoruba chief at Adenta, where some people, I mean Sheikh Arimiao and his colleagues from the chief imam office, the citation may come out Dr. Baumia, but the content of the citation was drafted in such a way, say, as Yanka say chief imam endorsed Dr. Baumia, which is far away from the truth. The same thing. Yawa might be Okroma was one in the Zongo Hinfuina when you mupani. He parades himself and does the same thing. But in Islam, no, nobody does that to us. We don't accept those things. So there's this attempt. Because the moment the MPP who say they have lost that kind of moral authority done by 2016, they have made frantic effort to corrupt every institution so that it will be said, say, you are corrupt. One way I'm stay here, they will see you and us. That is what President Akufo-Addo did to this country. And the ABC, that is what is happening. And to most say to you taking decisions, I want to say, even to the send some prosecutions. Oshe damparene papa case ya ekoso ambulance case ya ekoso ya. Now here the leak tape. Now here
dampare. I will
no I mean go for dame to force in issue. Now here the leak tape. Now here and someone ekoso Nema Okam say president and former finance minister the pressure turn so say only at forcing before the first week of May. How can you, before prosecuting the case, draw a conclusion? If not something you have arranged, one time draw conclusion say case medical court may win and now may lose you because it is a fuss against the law. But when you be with team draw that conclusion, making frantic effort, say obia onyare, say uncle procure medical notes report say or you own team court now put two in together. You see the attempt by electoral commission. No see that attempt to populate the electoral commission with his own people. Dr. Where our office within the IT unit of the electoral commission obi a walk election with somebody. Even a football crowd, maybe no about football. Now, obi a free another one now, you're affiliated to another team. One man no so may referee. You look at all of these things now. Someone say, what at all is happening in this country? And this for me, what is happening with the police service, is something that all of us are watching and we must watch. We shouldn't sit down like that and watch things happen just like that. So, Omanhene Yaw no Papa we na Akufo-Addo no. Look, President Mama over 2025 no. Our Juma are obey to make sure that our institutions come back to who they are. Even our schools, secondary schools, heads are afraid to talk about it. Because you can't want someone proceed, do this, let's investigate you. Mamiya, one of the Wesley schools, see what in school, I'm going to ho. Mamma Coca say, or Jiska Crano that don't no crabbe ye. And so for us, Bibia Echo Subia by Wimuno, we are watching. Because the government, including the party itself, is not well. So they want to do anything so that you win election. But elections are not conducted like that. And this IGP issue way. The report say about a babontin or china or monfa report mu enye juma. Say obesaku bia whatever it is. The reasons must be reasonable. Because IGP now or no, when you ma a particular fashion of the political divide, he's there for all of us. And there's a two and a mobi. Now you feel say any reasonable. Actuated by malice, we won't watch it. To say the COP assessments I can't. If it is that they think by putting another person there, he will do the Iowa so West Wagon and not teach him and South. No, I'm at 2024 elections. I had to say 2020 elections in a course on one, including those guys in their IT room misbehaving around on one. We will not allow it again.
All right,
it won't happen.
Let me welcome Honorable. Ahafuano Southeast.
Well, good morning.
DC now to say.
Nyame adomboko na.
Akwaba.
Yeah, eja.
And I say me shall say Tiana, na sa aka ho ntem na monya brakasa.
Wadaroma.
Mo ana ya mo complain. Ti me mammo minyata sa ba.
Oti aban mu abre. Okay.
Mami yam chai IGP bia TSO. Yes, my bank cry in a dear go for the in a dear way. I pay leak tape and buy and so COP Bensa any other. And this is what I'm putting them preach now. Opa say we IGP na we elections and see that. I mean you.
When you met you.
Pay your mic no ben one no kakra mami. But your munsha na munya man come na NCP sita. Aha. Mami you.
When you met you.
Major Swam.
Na machia wa TF4 ene wo mohwe yi nyina. Mekwa constituency no makwa kwachia constituency executives any police station executives. Na youth wings no ene young ladies ho nyina machia wo bia. Machia me chairman chairman Kwadwo su na afi machia be parliamentary candidate. Fedeke Champon enso so. Machia na nanom still na Boakye Adom Kotoko di Omanhene awamaye baby ya yatie edi edwuma Oman
yes
sa tape yi hu asem de na nka me say a thing of the past. I will not waste too much time on that particular tape.
You want to hammer on your running mate, huh?
Ya woni ma bebrese ye ka ho asem.
It's you.
Enye tape wi ho asem. NDC omuntimi enditeme emma president. Omuntimi nditeme omo NDC empanimfo be 3 pebi ntimi nditeme ma the whole Ghana. Enye yi. Enti se report na babontin aba Beba china. Enya mai. Enti minima de kronti a yen discuss it. And time se men say me mere wo ho.
No, but the IGP's a rumor has been very loud.
Ni rumor
so
no.
Yes, on proceeding on leave abani be you know. And
ni rumor no. Ono na kai.
There be. Na say ni on onka.
There be on one IGP na na kai.
So say
what is ye be inedi.
No, I was where a see say IGP how say I wish you have for a mumro and yes be imedi. It doesn't happen.
Asem no say enye IGP na ka na asem na sa akoye yese dia na se report no ye kira na eba dia ene na me twen amanaba but when bibi
catch me
next week nyame boa na say report no bana the BCC a
the report is expected tomorrow.
Yeah,
we are told
on the 29th December 2022 me kasen bi wo radio station bi before say sa tape we kura ebeba enti sa tape no ba ye no that your sister radio station called me and asked me say now we are aware say edi be me cast edi eche edi be 3, 4, 5 months class and as I tape we beba. Or friend with them say, are you aware? Say we bana. Nam say no. Me kura tape mintie bi. Ona wo ka kire me. Enti me de beto na matwen ama tape no aba. Before some be cancer asem no. Na 27th December 2022 na meeting bi akoso e wo Kumasi Golden Tulip eti me meeting no me tia na me ne ga sam ka kire o mo say they should expect say a thing like this is going to happen, but yen ka ho asem sisi yen twen ma ne mra until let's wait. Me nka ho asem na me pa china no se bawie na gina ni si a my I will come and stay here and you will see what will happen. Ye kwato super delegate abano. One of your sister station me ko ho na mka kire mo say this person will get this, this person will get this, 2 people will be 9.
You are now a soothsayer.
Ndabi and obusa me say adan and I'm say yem fanto ho e dazo woni fam sisi e and I'm say yem fanto ho si etu aba ni wi a ti etu aba no Saturday Monday and wo frɛ me na me say politics ni ye di echi se campaign no udi achira uhunu ni ye den eko
Nti ma me musa o based on the wakan o campaign na ekose
efa
presidential
presidential presidential de senne ye ka se yenko enkoto aba I am telling you say dog anwen ne kura mpo no obetimi awene be say 50 point be 87%.
It's almost 5.9.
Yes.
Baumia.
Be catch it.
Based on what now they can say.
Yeah. Research be bribi kwa. Ye di enema be bribi echi. Oh, say, let me tell you this.
Tell me.
NPP. Emra. And this for ye. Mahama no. Ena. NPP for Timmy retrieve. And this for vote no. By yes 70%. Every immediately they voted for Mahama as their flag bearer. No. And NPP Timmy retrieve 17% from their national vote. Omo ye committed NDC no. Omo Timmy retrieve will be free mo. If you say omo hu bi da. Emra ye tu aba ema aba womia no. Ena ye tumi sanya 14%. Esa de be ka 17 ho.
From MPP and NDC.
From NDC.
From the north.
Ye nya 40%.
Is it from the north or nationwide?
North for no more baby out. They are everywhere.
Nampacho. Ade na mo de mu yi Baumia no. Man lusu bi. Na mo de win.
Ye yi Baumia no. Ye lusu bi.
Na wanka.
Wa musame.
Na wo kan win. Say na nyame na wo se mbusa.
Wa musame.
E wo so o balance no.
Ye yi Baumia no. Ye lusi. Be say 1.something%. And ye win be 14%.
Okay.
We no onti ase o man say ka ba me yakwan amemere bi aba ma ya be bia research mu ato ho akere wa ni ya ma ekwan ya ye fa so ye nya sa figures na I'll bring in my team ni ya kire o ba bi a yakọ ye ko bisa ye ne de o mo ka kire yen anu ye omo de ma yen ne ya biem ne ya de akyerew ne ya showcase na ya wia ya bie phone lines na tum for that particular area na yen ye call ye na ekokonya as a resource no na nke ya de akyerew ne ya bia tum no wabuso mo no wa dey no wa hwe.
With the presence of Napo, has it added anything to Baumia? Because
Napo,
now, whether you like it or not, Thursday, Napo will be mentioned. And Nanra, Nanam Cancer Bodu, Napo, Akodinasi, only one to me, Omani Vice President Akodinasi, Omanum, if I can say, Asumjensa, the pictures are not paying the good TV, this one, Moshe. And Tino Bibia, the dancer say, Nyafin, if I say, Bia, Yabonidin. You did not coach them penny phone, and I can say officially about outdoor. No, is it going to add anything?
That's it. Na me ne NDC chairman baako at the radio station bi so last week Thursday. Na ye kasa se bi no say Napo is a very nice gentleman. Name na me se first you. As far as your word me to say he is a very nice gentleman, no, it grows. Oman nipa bien ho ye 10/10. Eto da kura mpo betima ye 40/60. Enso so no na 60 na omo mpewo no adekodie nti a omo mfa mpewo na ni nyina so.
Okay.
Until we just throw it away. Later no we go to them and we speak. Hwe eyeme de say Napo Napoku aye education minister na NDC aye education minister
Nanopoku professor
ai entino ye be compare near contrast sankrofo we mienu e record obi adi 4 years e wo education ministry ho
okay
eti ye be hyahye ne de akwa wie Obia will pro and cons. That one, you can't take it out. And anytime you say, Obian Hoya 10, Uben you be 40, and so still, we need papa, win me met you school fees a map, Ubini Mayaka. Papa ne ba me when you buy your masters, you also pay school fees, then school fees is 17,000. One say, your educational fund be, they were part of the common fund. Ti every bia na ye boabo nipa bia no na ye tua ya support wo mo we ti bi wa yin timi twa nyina akre ma part payment na okọ nua panyin di onim na wono ne ba 17,000 and obi nso so one of our women's organizer bi nso so ba school fees nursing training ye ono ne ba na ye masters nursing training ye 2,000 I think it was 2,700 or something and me tua Emma no me tue ono ne ba no school fees and masters ne ma na me tue a women's organizer police station women's organizer so e ba ne de ma no ye tue wi omokọ enu a papa no nko ase aba adenti na wutue asa ni passment we school fees ne best school fees
abra ye tue ono ne ba
ye tue ono ba ndam say eja chairman na aden o say ye campaign wo didi matem ti aden dey so wutue ne best school fees ma no nam say oh asema wo kan ndie Sir, as one make idea, you never tell this special palm. Since that time, it's in the Onkasa me who be. When you go, now could she this kind of person, now he is speaking evil about me. And you know anything on the main casa. And when I walk evil day, a family. And he a toda. A ya one more, a can evil no. And ya the bonny be antina all can evil. What you be papa? Ama nipa no kura di ye se nipa no odi ye nanka wono won pene santi eno ano no enti Napo onye 10 but I am telling you emphatically say if we compare and contrast with records I'm telling you the man is good to go Napo penso when me say me pa next month this month here is me
oh man oh kasa man say
oh say na me pa next month here this month here see me you has second university no em say president kwa commission minute what ya
Yeah.
President Mills and the shares had nasi mama any jane mensa am fa 1% ango ka de ma say no as education minister na popen so na pokoko hyase a waye o maye no ho for the past best 6 years no ko ho no na me pa na obehu pictures no 1% anko ka ho and you see the pictures in this month so commission ni duru ho no mo na po na po the buy no baba restore ye nurses teachers and training training allowance no na po the baba restore ye you can't take it away from him hwe se wunia me be ma I have on my phone records man for kasa say free SHS o mampanika so obeye wode na potu ano no na man for say 419 you have it untim kan so uni owo
Me am Tiana.
owo ewo records so untim kan so uni owo
Ole ka wa say with you.
almost here 419 almost see krom year demonstration ni mo nkrofo say free SHS 419 free e me phone so bit ma send am if you want to it man no abon this year
Asumsem nisem.
yeah very good yeah wo krom ha ena obi say former president say over 2 billion unim ade am den say wan ka say 2 billion no enyesi wan ka say scam o wasi say o say 2 billion no a on fan kwa ye free SHS oba yusu dia ya ade foforo eti onyi ntum na po bai wo be ye ema Ghana fo nyina nya so mfaso.
So this is the pay you're talking about.
Yes. This man here is the man that we are talking about. And the attempt any honiema for so kwache nom ne ade ade babies with sharp teeth for no for so kwache we are sure
German kanasem.
babies with sharp teeth woman no e kaseti ya sa papa we say free SHS no dey ban e scam hwe ko obuase Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology campus no be no he started it from the scratch to the end. This man started it. Not building better than ho.
And that's 3 minutes wrap up for me now. Go on.
He started it. Now Refi. Say obaye. Na a teacher for a child 3 years near 3 months no. Were you free ho? Have you just forgotten this? Just so soon. And now Refi. Say obi Professor Jane Ekoka say next teacher allowance watcham. Now Refi say university lectures, research and books allowance. Yadima wo osi ahu hia watwam. Wo Refi say see abrekura wo no enjoy sa benefit ni bi. Ade a wo enjoy no ufuro no ase ahu hia ene ahu hia de ade enjoy sa fa kwai sai fa ko no atwam ne atikoma ne yehwe no ana Refi wo ka say ye nuan mo nketua wo mo wo university o mo ntwa water be ne ladbe o Refi just recently enya na yes ade as education minister. What are we talking about? I don't even want to discuss him. Discuss her. Because adia wono wababa enjoy bi wababa benefit bi ne ma benefit bi nyina no wono ankasa ba ose emwa. Why are you so wicked? Why doing this to the people of Ghanaians? Why? What have you done wrong? Obi a child 3 years. What you are 3 months or can was I mean, are you serious? When you decide need you want to be on there. So I say, but teacher for to train or can't refi. They are there waiting for her. They are there waiting for her. Unia. And I want to call Cape Coast. So I'm going a fishing port. One name my casa a scam. Ye we ye kwakwa lunch ye dey see ye. Wa hene no okita hanki no wo su. Okaya.
So ba me na me call no.
What see ye scam.
Mate.
Ye we no wo su. And is not the same this person. Wa ekura wa wo free mu. Oman ya region wa wo home region. Wa wo free mu. Ye obi ye scam.
Thank you.
And do you think they will sit there and watch you?
Honorable. Ma time bio na so kasa.
Oh, MPP na brande we.
Why there?
Omofisi ya dwene nya adwuma.
Ade.
They think lying will help them. Lies do not help anybody. And when you mean they succeeded with these lies in 2016, succeeded in 2020. In 2024, it worked for them again. So they have started their lies once again. What would this issue to do with free SHS? In 2015, President Mahama launched it. Started with 320,000 day students across the country. And go and check the media.
10,000 or
320,000
day students.
Day students.
And each was receiving 49 Ghana cedis as support.
It will not pay anything. So whatever fees we pay at the time, you not pay anything. Then, by 2016, the media budget and was on the borders 120,000 borders were also enrolled. Go and check the media review budget of 2016, page 109 of the NDC 2016. These records are there.
They were enrolled
on the PSS program because we believe in progressive implementation of this program. On say constitution ankasa and our document na di free SHS buy no. NDC ni market women, ni farmers, ni butchers na ye. Because nkrofo we can say omma ho. Because omne market women nyadoafo omma moton jeni ommo ntena se mum and tro document. So that document now omma mu na free SHS na free.
But Napo came and told the whole world that you never paid a penny, even with the starting with the day students, and to some extent he even had a hit on the woman.
That is the problem.
He came to advert.
That is the problem.
He said they never paid a penny. He came with proof and dared the woman to come out and say,
that is the problem with the MPP.
On his own, on the woman's own.
Omanhene, don't take this stuff serious.
Why shouldn't
That's the problem with them. One school feeding. With himself for almost a year now. They are not paying them.
School feeding.
It's not operational at the moment.
Yeah.
School feeding. The schools are not cooking. They're not paying them. They're owing them. How many months people free power? Or free one is that dead not there? When do we pay? So what is the strength? I said they should stop the deception. That's who they are. Student allowances. Well, Nancy a girl cut 1 hour kubusa question one northern region. Expose them. So on our call nursing to new college for 3 years. In Trian Bako Krada. At the time of Busan or try exam the next month. They never paid them. When they didn't away, they live on deception. Or dadao. Now why didn't say the Okani and no credit? It's no boa. Let me tell you, look, obi frame fi na let it go. So when him say me ba we discuss this thing. We say me nka ho asem. The allowances they have not paid na let it go nursing training college. When say me bo ho akere, they have not paid them. Omanhene training college in nursing and nursing ehim fa na mo school. Anya nursing training college in nkwa na mo ko. KUS ta mo nursing.
Yeah.
Lagos na mo nursing. Valley View. Schools across the country mo nursing.
Degree nurses.
You do allowances. Do you pay them allowances? President Mama in his big thinking ideas say these are tertiary institutions. Your mom ko just loan to say the me call the government just loan. Oya eduma no watua. So you can expand infrastructure for them to come. When him say we ya we. Just roads, no connection to electricity na manaka ho. Ebesine. Nipa na oya sa infrastructure say nipa na be aduma no. No what dad and say we allowance one piano. Who has vision for this country?
Also, one infrastructure.
President Mahama, he's the king of, in fact,
Infrastructure there.
hospitals, everything.
But Sevilla Hospital, by the time you were living, there was no block even at Sevilla.
Then you know Afari.
Afari was about 47%.
No, look.
Fomina was almost 75%. Kumawu was 50%. Sevilla, Namon Stati.
After the hospital, one has been completed. One such infrastructure was there. My share is it Elton Jones Broby from Joy. I had documentary. Kokwa Jimeman. I can't say. Oma we hospital no. Oma installing machinery bibia. What is left with is connection of electricity and roads on record.
That is Sevilla.
Yes, it's done.
Yes, I know the MPP.
I know the day here.
Oh, Bibao, I know MPP nebesi.
Omanhene, look
for me. I am speaking with facts, share.
But
I don't know say Formina NDC free on 75% complete. Kumawu, it was almost 47-48 complete.
Omanhene.
Afari, it was almost 50%. Sevilla was on the scratch. The land and everything was acquired.
Afari no asa.
Afari the MPP abeto asobo mu
nje. Why is the hospital not opened?
I know they mean to me.
Me see.
But Sevilla there mean electricity and road. Regional minister say o ma wie 14k
so
plant no. It is left with
Omanhene.
Project
Ben MPP buy. Na NDC finance anka o ma wie. O ma start wie.
There he say
project Ben on buy nyina. Project Ben was sent.
But no, so do so
Project Ben monumental.
No ina no.
Because there were examples for Project Ben monumental. Agenda 1.
He's asking you a question.
18 months be we na there. And we there here for 8 years for my we. President Mama we Kejeta market we in record for years.
That's right.
Central market research on my we.
That be me.
Me see be bien who President Mama will buy one fan and sanka. I MP for be chat we here. President Mama di how many years? 4 years. O man think MPP lose 2020 elections now. Dear nanka o man entire life for my even with 8 years. What can they point to? In a center which is monumental. Ye my regional minister kwan. So on money ma 5 pedin. He fumbled. Ye ma asensor Boakye kwan say on money ma signature project na Santa region. He fumbled. E ma Dr. Bobia kwan. Say north now cause we north now. A dear project na signature project my na monumental. Was a Polugu multi-purpose dam. Ye ko Polugu no. A parliamentary select committee. No anymore. No Polugu. There was nothing on site. No blocks a group of This is the MPP for you.
Yeah, they had paid $11 million.
$11 million. Near Sky Train. Safi there, you train kwano from no ya masi yam for train and tosoro. You call no more $2 million I'm a company no. Ewa. So this is the record of the MPP. But Omanhene wouldn't even work na. So we need more work na.
3 minutes to wrap up.
Yet to Krumha. And a package, a media, and a package president, Akufo do brain. Say he is an angel. Yen tum. Krumha member in Adanema. Omushi business community in Ashanti region. abrante ne ka kire mo se kuruma mo tie ye nyina ya tie no obi ada ne oba mo ase ye nyuma nyina these are the people Chief Dr. Bomia Omanhene obi a wo hwe ye bia wo tie bia hwe bo Dr. Bomia yi pa ye ma no kwan se on kasa de obeya mo manya hwe de wo ye MPP nim se wontimi ka hwe ne tie bonyum no wo sa enyum no wo safa ha na nyum no nam ha na rese wodi napo esa beka Dr. Bomia ho napo let me tell you our basic school is in tatters. Me I've been a teacher for my 19 years. Omedi basic education eba ebesine you introduce you standard based curriculum in 2019 besine Omanhene primary school they have no books to work with. I just engage the teachers because these topics will come. They have no books to work with. Lesson notes omo plenty free net ni we are they don't know what to do with it. There are subjects that teachers were not prepared for. Creative arts we both subjects no creative arts and career technology. Students were not prepared. Teachers were not even trained for those subjects. Meanwhile, from 2019 up to date, teachers are pretending to be teaching our kids in the school. Find out. No, with the common course have become. Oh my, this is the first time they're writing exams, the common core. You will see the disaster that will befall us. And also the same thing, the same creative art and career, no teachers for them. Into therefore be a portal. Tinapo has this they have destroyed our basic education beyond repair. Free SHS. You introduce free SHS. But because of the wisdom ahead, you see the infrastructure. Blue ni green icon. Didn't ya? We lack infrastructure. Me offer se for me nu e wo bako abrepo ha. Rahana wa abrepo ha. E na bako e wo senjurum. Omba fi March 12 July we in Ombeko school. From March to July. Nti Omanhene wa baba ana akwada ada age abetina fie from March. July number that is Nepo for you. Nepo by energy sector. What is the energy sector today? Sa I made plan amode ba kumase. You see, I made plan amode ba kumase no dia na moye fa ho.
Okay.
I made
We'll come back to
$800
that.
million ekoshim. Ntoba nka mutia di. What you has?
We have so much.
Now you have. When him say MPP.
So mami nti ono.
MPP in their entirety. They only name people after him. They have not built one university.
Okay.
President Kufuor time. Ebesine. On can tell me. A single university they have built from scratch.
Thank you. Honorable come in.
Medasi. Wakasa ya na odi ko wura health mu. Me ya na me mpese NDC fo kasa ho. Omo be bom hu musuo adi akọ health. I'm telling you. Me mpese be bom hu musuo adi akọ health. Do you know why I'm saying this? Hwe, I'm telling you today. Opa ye nyina ho me ni mienu. Health asem. Hwe. Obeka Kufuor. Mami. Bum mu asem. Ne health ne you know ne NGO no ne records ne health no records on one health no a time am ne ayi at time is 8 years health records. I'm telling you me say Rebecca Kufuor ne foundation no health achievement ya waya ne honom no e so time mahama ene at time 8 years health achievement. If you don't go there, and let me tell you this. Now we will say project bang, and no more start here. Health you ye. Me for unquestioned, Tepa Irojet project. Must start him want me and baby. Now go and see it is in use. No, because I said no, my mouth back. What say? Back almost started here. You buy a Tepa Irojet project. Koko ya wie. It is okwa me so come da me kokosra wo matan du awokra akono keke.
Ese be kwai so ya wie kuma
yo nyabutre oh
formalize
nyabutre oh man nyabutre it is here. Be kwai na si wo 40 years.
Yeah. A champion.
Yes. 40 good years. Be kwai hospital.
Monja me make impact bia. Mo be dey am koye ye. Go see place na tipa mu jo na mo koye. And now go and see Tepa Bekwai. Go and check Robonso. Now, as I'm talking to you now, Kumawu, Omo Enra me,
Kumawu started.
Enra me Kumawu. Eko ko hwei. Me se Enra me Kumawu ko hwei. Eti nya botre. Na hunu nia wo kana o pese o decide ma we se nyuna bebe wuram dia. Ene o ho ba kire wo pa. Going forward, so say ma we ba ho ba kire wo. Me a mi kuro sabonum. Vamet. Kokore. Efidie gu ho. And let me tell you this. Na me pa August agenda 111 ye be commission bi. August ye be commission agenda 111. August hwani mu. Si akikasa ne ma we se nyina bomu a. Na mo hunu ne amonye. Na mo hunu ne amonka. Hwede ya start no konfo no chi. Na di sei. Enne enro ma be yin egu ho mo next week omo say be hyase. In December, I see a committee in Sadan.
Maternity ward
no. Si akikasa nyama we se nyina abomu a. Na mo hunu ne amonye, na mo hunu ne amonka. Enti opanini se edurumia bi a health de se woni mi hia enko because one hwe yi a wo ba chip compound there for kura say na o see ye chip compound kura ye for kura say na o see. As I'm talking to you now, as empa na ya dwene wo ho wo me de ya start uni bibi ya start another hospital on match within a very short possible time. Ye wie ne commission kwata by November ye commission. Magenda 111 bra efekeke midi jibidi namako midi nyabutre bi pa chaw midi jibidi etimu ba wo meya bi fa nyimu dini ena ho ahwan ena start ye ena de obedi 4 years wa nwie etinye wani wu se wo bedi 4 years na want me anwie hospital back. Now we hwe so be meto aso 4 good years. What you hulo?
He finished Dodowa.
And I did
the Dodowa hospital under the Eurojet. They finished Dodowa. They finished phase 1. Professor Mills Mahama. They finished phase 1 of Legon University. Agufado has done phase 2.
Blah.
Oh, they've done phase 2.
Blah.
They have done phase 2.
Wako. They have been done. Unim. Oh my.
Yes.
Me. Said ya me sit here. Na me si pe ma dia ye ntino. Unim bibi. Se asemba. Nyabutre.
Oh, Minia. Mama akosi camera na fe na
time. Me pa cho me kamasem.
Yes, that is a time I can say on Wanyasa. Hello, we don't want to be late. Hello.
Me asemusia me ya say a concentrated person can never be disturbed. Eti asemusia me call ma kwa hwe udi bibi. Ya busa tafu MC Lord. Me ni no header fa ka me tafu konongo ekọ ayi Legon ye kwa ko hwebi ni ye kwa ni e betrase ye nya bia dai aka sa ne ye ade enu nti na nra mi tu ka firi mi twi ka firi ha ekokodru ayi mawu enu nti mi tu ka kokodru ho mi tu ma head agenda 111 ho o my asante ni site bien ho ma me nko ho site bien ho a me nko I'm telling you, if you ask your colleagues sometimes they will tell you me tias unim omu movie from airport omu movie from old
but let me put it across that the the first airport is in operation now. They started with domestic. Two free bar now. It's a beautiful edifice.
Friday no. omu be bie na no e no omu frɛ me omu say honorable ye move from old one no to new one no enti ye pa chew ye nim say danya obebenti ya e frɛ wo hono ma na me 2k frɛ du dwama e na me kokodi na hono me pasa me kɔ na because me wo ya dem me kɔ no ma kwa na maka that is one different thing about me. I leave the office month, 21 working days in a month. One we move about to my office, maybe about 10 days.
You're on the ground.
Because me person me asma me candidato one mono. Me hunu ni America. Besa me hunu ni America. Me took her all the way from Hanomo to be a Sompa. No ma kwa hwe. Ya bie fire service. Omo training school. I will be Quanta. Mako 3 times. I just want to know.
But I say,
it's Wayne and Yama, more lucky. Go and have it yourself.
Mami share omo mudi oma wo dano quickly na me samra mo chain. Tony Sack Electronics, Tony Sack, the property electronics abejaso. Tony Sack Enterprise, the property abejaso. Na TVs, fridges, air conditioners, inverters, washing machine, microwave, electric irons, woofers. Just a home appliance. A dino mamen kamfu bill property. Normally chest freezers number from 100 inches to 1,000. Obenyani nyina ebi ewo honomo. TV no open 85 inch, open 65 per day. All brands available also and property. 0500-309-309. 0500-309-309. Obe huyan ewo cocoa board. Roundabout to Sunyan yani oe terminal dimsha anymore. Edumeye mienu. Melcom Dino Kumasi dan kasiye no ano. Kane pioneer ni dimsha anymore. Pick and pay traffic light as yo sounds also and a Wesley Matter is Sania triangle no SD Karam Quanti Pomo 050-309-309 and nay Liliana Donko of Ghent, Belgium. Liliana Donko of Ghent, Belgium. Omanhene Papa Mrs. Frempong Emma Utrinkwa Afe Madam Irene Dakwa at the Sufra Asamai, a Sumedu Dakwa Suwa, Casby Media Mautrinqua. Mrs. Evelyn Mullen of a Boakye Tabre, Shiftman at Tosu Emma Utrinqua, Daniel Kweku Anderson of Idara Barracks School, from your parents and Mrs. Anderson and siblings. Afe Doris Trema from PK of Sompa. Then Joy of Edmund's Fashion of Crowfrom CPC. Joy from Ya Grace Sompa TV. Mrs. Martina Dankwa of Cromwase News Site. From your sister Jeanette of ECG. Portia Opon of Boho. Today it's your birthday. From John Boakye Himan of Ghana Police Service. Victoria Nimako Bresiama of Asante Aguna. Catch Obi sends that to you. And then Harriet Sewa, CEO of Sewa Collections, Asante Aguna, catch Obi. 50th birthday to a Rabna. Happy 50th birthday to a Rabna from Nanaya Buama Sompa TV. Mrs. Linda Anane Bonsa. Mrs. Linda Anane Bansa. Okay. Saint, the wife of Saint. Happy birthday to you. Nana Kwame Entry Ahenkai. Today is your birthday. And then Maureen Boahima of University of Winneba from Bright Edujemfi. Okay. Honorable. 3 minutes, we wrap up.
Yeah. About the records of President Mama against the MPP is very clear, so clear. COVID back, maybe I'm going to die.
COVID by.
Mama, maybe I'm going to die.
I'm so be at 3 minutes.
See, COVID drew her in will be on Mokodai. And your present Mama hospital is young. Somebody named Cabritri in Gayasam. The Bank Hospital, the University of Ghana Hospital, many, litany, Rich Hospital, Bibri. Hospital, I mean, Temana Bena Bessia Bessin Seminary. So you see, when it comes to these records, they are very clear. The whole airports, this thing, Tamale, even with Kumasi, you will see clearly where this dream started from. And see, that record of President Mama is impeccable. We are here and ye. Oma cement prices, and yes, cement in Guao. I want to say, Papa, what the Mra, Eba Parliament, are regulatory cement prices. I want to say, Free Papa, no for Parliament. And as cement prices, you have poorly managed this economy. The entire day, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia has failed totally. Poto, nyase wa ye bibi poto. And instead of how can dollar near 16, it was 17. In no December, they could 20 Ghana cedis. So what have you managed? Into Moko fa clink and abacrum ha. Dollar now what they caught on the board. Na Kitiamo to Tony Sabunkum say, see one say one sema a Sisi Ghana. Kitiamo, I didn't know Mudico minister. Wabre. Wabre. It's for no dinner what to tone and such. Almost July or Mutum. They now by this is a free me feel almost say they are capitalist. Free market economy. You know, Mujidi. Private sector is the engine of growth. And you're Manage the system, let everything be fine. 2016 that's a man bag, you're saying. 28 Ghana cedis. 28 Ghana cedis. In a matter of how many years?
8 years.
Udruwa 115 Ghana cedis. 150 million Ghana cedis. That is what is happening. Omanhene Yaw if you be a cement in quantity this day. Iron rods eh. Could be a ton of iron rods and the other associated things. My feeling. Me and because elections way, it is a rescue mission for Ghana. NDC is going to rescue this country through its policies, the 24-hour economy, come and do proper construction, expand the base, employ more people. Let's bring this country together once again. Yes, I will. The Omayani, they are doing it more. Africa, the Omayani are more because they know they are going. And that is the problem we have in Ghana today.
Thank you very much. Honorable.
As far as concern,
tap. Honorable Mamintia.
Has nothing left to execute at this
Okay.
It is time for them to go.
Open me dashi. Oman Kabenya ohu. Me Honorable Haruna. Saturday bia.
Na say me no na wa.
From ministry to ministry.
Pacho, no yeah. Money produce and can boama better Saturday.
Oh, yeah, say unka won survive in ministry.
Nanka yen hwa. But maminya yi. Me pacho local government university Akumadan yen yesi ye. Phase 2 University of Health. Make sure say ye kwa commission in this month you know. University of Engineering and Agricultural Science at Bunso, Eastern Region. Phase 2 of University of Environmental and Sustainable Development. So many okwohwe EIN ho anya de ketwa. Central Campus Tech yakwa ye no KSTU ewo dwansa ya akone fo ni kokwohwe ade entra hankasa saa we say School of Railway and Infrastructure Development takwa okwafo ni kokwohwe ade entra na nka bi saa ni Obuase K University Campus ko ne kokwohwe ade bi na fo ni wi na abeka wabehwe no aka bi Kumasi Airport ya nyame pa ende mi free han ma mesen ko hono mu kokwohwe ade na ufiri hono mu a na ko ayisoso na kokwohwe 5,000 capacity stadium for youth in Hini. Go and see construction said this course no time and NPP for but not the whole Ghana you was 3 and as I'm talking to you now we have about 120 associates share the akwakoye no hono mo Legon Sports Stadium you don't have any records to show at the sports fraternity we have it. So we will talk about it. Kwadasu model and creative.
That also Cape Coast Sports Stadium.
Me time na me dey ka.
Okay, on the time. On the time.
Kwadasu model creative art senior high school.
I'm sorry, JB. Simba
Bibiano. Yen yesi.
Baby Mboko Chinese.
Kwadasu. John Ajeku model senior high school.
Says the castle Mboko Chinese.
Jache ayi Bosumtwe girls senior high school. Yen yesi ye. Yen ye.
What is it? You block back?
Yeah. When
you say you block back?
Yeah, constructed. So called Buankra. It is ongoing. Then I say Asimbia. Anyhow, yes, see warehouse Makumaku 15. A war Ghana has a Edgamad ye. BB womb. Because was here see business resource center. Makumaku 6 and the war Asante region has it. So open Grenade area.
Speak to the mic.
Yes, we were bossy, Konongo, and Carrier, Mankind, so a digama, Ninano, or Qua,
Thank you very much. Your time is up. Oh, time as so, Mr. Honorable. Honorable, men, check it time.
The Kuku estate.
And you're born in the
yes, see, we
a group of estate way.
However,
I me bodies are
never.
Affordable house. Okay.
What is that, your friend?
Jana Jokungu for estate.
You were party, you are now one day.
But your one
are complete.
Nyumbone
ono ani nu ade kofo de be complete here.
Nyumbone no to nye de.
Be ba chomo time na so. Abusuafo me de mo si anomo. Odom dom ye ne a